I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today we are diving into the third-generation Porsche Cayenne, a luxurious SUV that has been turning heads since its launch in 2017 and continues to impress right up to the present day. This model, built on the Volkswagen Group's MLB platform, combines sporty performance with everyday practicality, making it a favorite among British drivers who crave both speed and comfort on the UK's winding roads. However, like any high-performance vehicle, it comes with its share of issues that potential buyers should be aware of. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, as promised. One of the top complaints from Cayenne owners revolves around the PDK transmission, Porsche's dual-clutch automatic system that is praised for its lightning-fast shifts but can develop glitches over time. Many drivers report jerky gear changes, especially in lower gears during city driving in places like London, where stop-start traffic is relentless. These PDK issues often stem from software glitches or wear on the clutch packs, leading to expensive repairs that can set you back around £3,000 to £5,000 at a specialist garage. On the positive side, when functioning properly, the PDK delivers an exhilarating driving experience that rivals many sports cars. Regular software updates from Porsche dealers can mitigate some of these problems, keeping the transmission smooth for longer. Another frequent headache is turbo leaks, particularly in the turbocharged variants like the Cayenne S or turbo models. These leaks often occur due to failing seals or hoses under the high pressure of the engine, resulting in oil seepage that can lead to reduced performance or even engine damage if not addressed promptly. Owners in the UK have noted this issue more in colder weather, where thermal expansion and contraction exacerbate the problem. The good news is that the Cayenne's turbo engines are engineering marvels, providing immense power up to 600 horsepower in the Turbo GT that makes overtaking on motorways like the M1 a breeze. Repair costs for turbo leaks typically range from £1,500 to £3,000, depending on the severity. Proactive maintenance, such as regular oil checks, can help spot leaks early and prevent bigger bills. Moving on to suspension woes. The third-generation Cayenne's adaptive air suspension is a highlight for its comfortable ride over Britain's pothole-ridden roads, but it is not without faults. Compressor failures or leaks in the airbags can cause the vehicle to sag on one side, leading to uneven tire wear and a bumpy drive. Many owners report this after around 50,000 miles, especially if the car is used for towing or off-road adventures. Positively, when working well, this suspension system offers adjustable ride heights that enhance both on-road handling and light off-roading capability. Fixes often involve replacing air struts, costing about £2,000 per corner at an authorized service center. Keeping up with Porsche's recommended service intervals is key to avoiding these issues. Engine cooling problems also crop up frequently, with radiators prone to leaks or blockages from debris on UK roads. This can lead to overheating, particularly in the high-output V8 models during spirited drives on tracks like Silverstone. Drivers appreciate the Cayenne's robust cooling design for sustained performance, but vigilance is needed. On the upside, the cooling system's efficiency supports the car's impressive acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds for top trims. Repairs might run you £1,000 to £2,000, including parts and labor. Using high-quality coolant and avoiding aggressive driving in hot weather can extend its life. Interior electronics glitches are another common gripe, with the infotainment system occasionally freezing or losing connectivity to Apple CarPlay, which is frustrating on long journeys across the UK. The cabin itself is a strong point, boasting premium materials and spacious seating for 5, making it ideal for family road trips to the Lake District. Software reboots or updates often resolve these issues without much cost. Battery drain problems have been reported, especially in models with the optional plug-in hybrid system, where the 12-volt battery can fail prematurely due to the demands of the advanced electronics. This is a downside in a car that otherwise excels in fuel efficiency for its class, achieving up to 40 miles per gallon in hybrid mode on efficient runs. Replacement batteries cost around £300 to £500, and regular checks can prevent breakdowns. Brake wear is accelerated in this heavy SUV, with pads and rotors needing replacement every 20,000 to 30,000 miles, more so if you enjoy the Cayenne's dynamic handling on twisty B roads. The braking system is top-notch, providing confident stopping power even at high speeds. Upgrading to ceramic brakes, an option costing extra, can reduce wear but adds to the initial purchase price. Fuel system issues, like injector failures in petrol models, can cause rough idling or power loss, a problem noted by owners after 60,000 miles. Yet, the Cayenne's engines are renowned for their refinement and power delivery, making every drive enjoyable. Repairs for injectors might be £1,000 or more, but proper fuel quality helps avoid this. The all-wheel drive system, while excellent for grip on wet British roads, can develop transfer case leaks or noises from worn bearings. This reliability in adverse weather is a major plus for UK drivers facing rain and snow. Servicing the system every service interval keeps it in check, with costs around £800. Exterior paint and trim problems include chipping on the front end from road grit, common on motorways, though the Cayenne's aerodynamic design minimizes drag for better efficiency. The stylish looks turn heads in cities like Manchester. Protective films or ceramic coatings, starting at £500, can preserve the finish. Windscreen cracks from stone chips are frequent, given the low-slung hood, but the optional heads-up display enhances safety. Visibility is generally excellent. Replacement windscreens cost about £600 fitted. Tire wear is rapid due to the car's weight and performance, with a set of premium tires running £2,000. The handling on summer tires is superb. Rotating tires regularly extends their life. Exhaust system corrosion can occur in salty coastal areas like Cornwall, leading to rattles or leaks. The throaty exhaust note is a delight for enthusiasts. Inspections during MOTs catch this early, with repairs at £500 to £1,000. Hybrid-specific issues in e-hybrid models include charging port failures or battery degradation after 5 years. The electric range of up to 30 miles is fantastic for urban commutes in low-emission zones like London. Battery warranties cover up to 8 years, easing costs. Overall, the third-generation Porsche Cayenne shines with its blend of luxury, performance and versatility, boasting prices starting from around £50,000 for a used 2018 model up to £100,000 for a new turbo variant in the UK market. It excels in comfort and tech, with features like adaptive cruise control, making motorway drives effortless. However, the high maintenance costs and potential for transmission or turbo issues mean it is not for the faint-hearted budget-wise. In conclusion, this car suits affluent enthusiasts who prioritize driving thrills and are prepared for premium upkeep, such as business professionals or families seeking a do-it-all SUV with a sporty edge. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.